In ninth class, we have studied about real numbers, and real numbers include rational and irrational numbers. Today, we will prove that under root 2 is an irrational number. So, prove that under root 2 is an irrational नंबर. हमने प्रूव करना है कि अंडर रूट 2 जो है इरेशनल नंबर है. तो हम इस प्रूफ को बाय कंट्राडिक्शन प्रूव करेंगे. हम सपोज कर लेंगे कि अंडर रूट 2 जो है रैशनल नंबर है और फिर कंट्राडिक्शन दिखा के हम ये दिखाएंगे कि अंडर रूट 2 इज एन इरेशनल नंबर. सो फर्स्ट लेट अस सपोज let under root 2 be a rational number. If under root 2 is a rational number, then under root 2 can be written in form of p upon q because it is a rational number, where GCD of p and q it is equal to 1. It means highest common divisor of p and q is 1 and p and q are in the lowest form. So let this be equation first. Now squaring both sides, so this square से square cancel हो गया and 2 is equal to e square upon q square. So cross multiply, e square is equal to 2 into q square. From this equation we find that 2 is a factor of p square. So it means 2 divides p square. Now 2 is a prime number. If this prime number divides p square, that implies 2 divides p. If 2 divides p, let us suppose it is completely divisible, then we can divide this in this way. So this division statement can be written as p is equal to 2 into p1. So this implies p is equal to 2 into p1. Let this equation be second and this equation be third. Now putting third equation in the second, we get थर्ड इक्वेशन को जब हम सेकेंड में पुट करेंगे तो p इन प्लेस ऑफ p विल राइट 2p1. सो 2p1 होल स्क्वायर इट इज इक्वल टू 2 into q square. So 4p1 square it is equal to 2 into q square or 2p1 square it is equal to q square. ये कैंसिल हो गया. So q square can be written as 2 into p1 square. It means 2 divides q square. If 2 divides q square, it means 2 divides q. So let this be equation number 4. Now look at equation number third and equation number 4. This third equation says that 2 divides p and fourth equation says that 2 divides q. So from 3 and 4 we get 2 divides both p एंड क्यू। क्यू जो है वो पी और क्यू दोनों का फैक्टर है, लेकिन फर्स्ट स्टेप में हमने सपोज किया है कि दोनों का पी और क्यू का हाईएस्ट कॉमन फैक्टर कितना है, 1। सो विच कंट्राडिक्ट्स इक्वेशन 1। हमने सपोज किया था भाई पी और क्यू का कॉमन फैक्टर, हाईएस्ट कॉमन फैक्टर कितना है, 1। सो why this contradiction has come up? Because we have supposed that under root 2 is an rational number. So this contradiction has arisen because we supposed that under root 2 is an irrational number. So अगर अंडर रूट 2 irrational नहीं है, then it must be rational number. So our supposition is wrong. Therefore under root 2 is an irrational number. So by contradiction we have proved that under root 2 is an irrational number. In the same way you can prove that under root 3, under root 5, under root 7, under root 11 they can be proved as irrational numbers. So let us solve some examples. Show that 5 minus under root 3 is an irrational number. So in this question we should not prove that under root 3 is irrational. We will prove whole of this question, whole of this part as irrational. So let us suppose again we will prove this question by supposing that this is an rational number. So let 5 minus under root 3 be a rational number. Rational, if it is rational then it can be written in the form of p by q, where p and q are integers. Now transpose 5 to the right hand side, p upon q minus 5, adjust the minus sign, under root 3 is equal to 5 minus p upon q. 5 can be written as 5 upon 1. Now take an LCM of 1 and q, it comes out to be q. So here we can write 5q minus p. So left hand side is under root 3 is equal to 5q minus p upon q. Now look at this right hand side. This p and q are integers. If we take some values of p and q, then right hand side will come out to be a rational number. So this comes out to be rational number. So it means only rational can be equal to rational. So this shows that under root 3 is rational number, which is not true. Because we have proved that under root 3 is an irrational number. So this contradiction has come up because we have supposed that 5 minus under root 3 is a rational number. So if this is not a rational number, so therefore 5 minus under root 3 must be an irrational number. So in this way we can prove that 5 minus under root 3 is an irrational number. Now let us solve exercise exercise 1.3 question number second. Exercise 1.3 question number second. Prove that three plus 2 under root 5 is an irrational number. हमने प्रूव करना है 3 plus 2 under root 5 is an irrational number. इसको भी हम कंट्राडिक्शन से प्रूव करेंगे. पहले हम सपोज कर लेंगे, लेट अस सपोज लेट 3 plus 2 under root 5 be a रैशनल नंबर. ये एक रैशनल नंबर है. अगर ये रैशनल नंबर है तो इसको हम पी वाई क्यू फॉर्म में लिख सकते हैं, वेयर पी एंड क्यू आर इंटीजर्स. और ट्रांसपोज 3 टू राइट हैंड साइड, सो 2 under root 5 is equal to minus 3. 3 can be written as 3 upon 1 LCM of q and 1q, so it comes out to be p minus dq. Transpose this 2 to the right hand side, so in the left hand side we are left with under root 5. 2 will go to the denominator. So again look at this right hand side. In right hand side we have p and q who are integers. If I take p to be 1 and q to be 2, so right hand, what becomes of the right hand side? 1 minus 2 into 3 into 2 upon 2 into 2. So for values of p and q, p equal to 1 and q equal to 2, right hand side comes out to be minus 5 upon 4, which is a rational number. So right hand side becomes rational. So rational should be equal to rational, but under root 5 is not rational, it is irrational. So this contradiction has come up because we have supposed that 3 plus 2 under root 5 is rational. So if it is a contradiction, it means it is not rational. If it is not rational, then 3 plus 2 under root 5 is an irrational number. So in this way we can prove that 3 plus 2 under root 5 is an irrational number. So question number 1, prove that under root 5 is irrational. You can prove in the same way as we have proved under root 2. And question number 3 also you can solve like we have solved this question. So this is all for today. Thank you.